Hello, this is a video from manufacturer number PDS-500 by Stack-On. This is a personal drawer safe with an electronic lock. I've already taken the item out of the box. Everything you see right here is what comes inside. I'm going to go ahead and move this to the side. Some of the key features that this item has is it's solid steel. It has a pry-resistant door and concealed hinges for greater security. It has two live-action locking bolts that secure the door in place. Also comes along with your installation instructions. Comes with two keys. All you have to do is remove the center piece that says Stack On. Turn your key, your knob, and lift. You have two screws and two nuts, 4 AA lithium batteries, and the battery compartment is right here. I'm going to go ahead and lift this up and show you how I did it. All you do is remove the center piece. You turn your key, turn the knob, and lift. To lock it back, you turn your key and the knob, remove the key, and place the centerpiece back on. And again, this has been manufacturer number PDS-500, a personal drawer safe by Stack-On.